Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how can we fix widescreen problem on Instagram. It's a very easy and simple process. In this video, I am going to show you multiple ways how can we fix this issue. It works both on iPhone and on Android. First of all, just open your Instagram account. But if you are facing widescreen problem, what you have to do is just go back and go to your settings and then find your app. Okay, it's over here, and then just press on manage app and just search Instagram. After searching Instagram, clear all data, press on clear cache, and okay. This is the first step. The second step is that what you have to do is go to a Play Store and you have to make sure that your Instagram is updated to its latest version. If the both step you have done and you're still facing widescreen problem on Instagram, then the last option is just open your Chrome and just type instagram.com and enter your username, enter your password, but make sure do not open with your Instagram app. Just open in your Chrome, and when you're logged in, just try to contact with Instagram and just tell them that you're facing widescreen problem, and then Instagram will contact you. So this is the only way to fix your widescreen problem on Instagram.